Hi, my name's Jacob and I'm an engineering student currently completing an internship here at AMQ in their continuous improvement team.
I am Aura Ibañez. I've been here for 3 months in an internship position. I have had a good experience, a great experience in here, learning a lot of tools and systems and methodologies to apply lean manufacturing to a real industry that I haven't seen before. So that's nice and good for my grow up in my profession.
I've had a great experience here at AMQ while working with their continuous improvement team, learning about how the lean principles apply to a manufacturing process, from making standardized work instructions to a pick for pulse system, a 2-bin system, as well as consumables and other various processes around the factory.
One of my biggest learn working here as an internship was that the small improvement can make a good difference in a company and also in your own life outside of the company, because you can apply lean manufacturing in whatever situation that you are, even in your own home doing some little tasks.
My biggest takeaway from my time here at AMQ would be how these lean principles not only can be implemented into a manufacturing process, but also other real-world applications in everyday life. From creating the standardized work instructions, shadow boards, the pick for pulse, it's all been a really enjoyable experience. It's something that I'm definitely keen to take away and apply in other settings.